Tired of dealing with hair fall and damaged hair? If you are constantly dealing with hair thinning, hair loss, and damaged and dull hair, this is the product for you. Looking for a natural hair care line that will make your locks look and feel amazing? Look no further than KeraHealth. The KeraHealth products is the perfect solution to all your hair-related queries. Carefully formulated with the best quality ingredients.
KeraHealth Shampoo, Follicle Hero Shampoo. Helps to strengthen and repair your hair, help to promote hair growth. This shampoo also contains an exclusive KeraHealth complex, which helps to revitalize and restore your hair's natural moisture balance. Plus, it's gentle enough for daily use and is safe for all hair types. Results on the hair scalp and shaft will be apparent from the first usage. Results on hair thinning and density may be observed after 1 month of use, but optimal effects can only be achieved if you use it for a minimum of 3 months. The beauty benefits of KeraHealth shampoo are: hair loss is reduced, scalp exfoliation for the sensitive scalp, roots to tips, the shampoo has a gentle cleaning and strengthening effect, hair growth stimulation. To get this great product or read a real product review, click on the link in the description.